Hello, welcome to my bedroom floor. We're here because I just got this in the mail. So a part of my closure practice as an intimacy, violence, and movement professional is to have certain clothes that I only wear during rehearsal. So about a month ago, I ordered some custom Vans to be my intimacy shoes. And this is them. We're gonna unbox them together. That's exciting. We have, boom, my order. Interesting, they don't come in a box, they come in a bag, and I don't hate that. Look at that. Boom. These are beautiful. I've got my Exploring Gender logo all over the side of there. Consent culture on the back. I'm super excited to wear these to the first rehearsal of American Idiot at American Blues Theater when it happens. I'm so stoked. Thank you all for joining me on this unboxing adventure. If you like my clothes, by the way, either my closure clothes or you want some of your own, or you just want to support queer artists and queer designers, I have my own clothing shop and you should go check it out. Link will be included. It's also on my website. exploringgender.com is now live and running and I'm super excited. Also a new movement blog. Y'all, I've been busy during COVID. I have been working, and these shoes are about to be working for me. Bye. Stay safe.
And you're coming and going and coming again. I'll write bittersweet songs that get stuck in my head. You're out on a limb and I'm out of my depth, 'cause I'm coming, you're going again.